Let me tell you an interesting story. Once upon a time, there was a huge jungle. In that jungle, there were many animals. Now, one day, the animals were trying to decide who would be the king of the jungle, and they were all fighting among themselves that who would be the king of the jungle. And at that time, the wise fox came up and he said that all of you must come ahead one by one and tell your qualities. And at the end, depending upon the qualities of each and every animal, we will decide as to who would be the king of the jungle. So, first of all, elephant came up. He said, I am a large animal. I am strong. I have a long trunk. I want to be the king. Then came up a bear. He said, I am also a big animal. I am healthy. I should be the king. After that, it was the turn of furious lion. He said, I am stronger than them. I have powerful paws. Besides, I am clever and fast. I deserve to be the king of this big jungle. And on the basis of this, we saw that lion is the most powerful among all the animals, and hence he was made the king of the jungle. Now let us look at the sentences that we have used in the story. The wise fox said. Now in this, fox is a naming word. It is the name of this animal. So I can say that fox is a noun. And what is wise? Is wise a noun? No, wise is not a naming word. So it is not a noun. But wise is telling us about the fox. Wise is telling us about the quality of the fox, that the fox is wise. So we can say that the word wise is describing the word fox. Wise is describing fox, which is a noun. So fox is a noun and wise is a word which is describing the noun. Now in English language, we have named these kind of words which describe nouns as adjectives. So adjective is a word that is used to state the virtue, that is goodness, vice, that is badness, quality, quantity, and condition of a noun or a pronoun. So, what are adjectives? Adjectives tell us about the virtue, vice, quality, quantity, and condition of a noun or a pronoun. So, adjectives are describing words. They are describing words. They describe a noun or a pronoun, or they add meaning to a sentence. So, the wise fox said. In this sentence, wise is adding meaning to fox. It is telling us about the quality of the fox. How is the fox? It is describing the word fox. So, wise is an adjective. So, adjectives not only describe nouns, they also describe pronouns. And let us look at the statements made by the elephant. I am a large animal. Animal is a noun and large is describing the size of the animal. So, I am a large animal. So, large is describing the size of the animal. So, large is an adjective. I am strong. I is a pronoun referring to the elephant, and describing the strength of this pronoun is the word strong. So it is describing the quality of this pronoun I. I am strong. So strong is an adjective over here because it is describing the word I, which is a pronoun. I have a long trunk. Trunk is a noun and describing once again the quality of the trunk is the word long. So long is an adjective. So we have three different adjectives here: large, strong, long. So these all adjectives are describing either the elephant or his trunk or some other noun or pronoun. And then it was the turn of the bear. Bear said, I am also a big animal. So animal is the noun and describing the size of the animal is the word big. So big is an adjective here. It is a describing word. I am healthy. So I is a pronoun and describing the health condition of this pronoun I is the word healthy. So healthy is a describing word or an adjective. It adds meaning to the sentence. Big adds meaning to the sentence. It is describing the word animal. So big and healthy are adjectives describing the bear. And then what did the lion say? The lion said, I am stronger than them. So I refers to the lion. It is a pronoun and describing the strength or the quality of the lion is the word stronger. So it is an adjective or a describing word. I have powerful paws. So paws is a noun and describing the strength is the word powerful. So the word powerful is an adjective here. Besides, I am clever and fast. So I once again refers to the lion and what describes lion? Clever and the word fast. So clever and fast are adjectives. I deserve to be the king of this big jungle. So in this case, jungle is the noun and describing the size of the jungle is the word big. So big is an adjective. So words like stronger, powerful, clever, fast, big, these are all adjectives describing some noun or pronoun. So adjectives are describing words. They describe a noun or a pronoun and they add more meaning to a sentence. It is not that we cannot have a sentence without adjective. So it's very difficult to form a sentence without a noun or a pronoun. But that's not the case with adjectives. We can form sentences without adjectives, but they add more meaning to the sentence. So for example, the sky is blue. Which is the adjective here? So first, let us see what is noun in this sentence. The word sky is the noun. Sky is noun. And which word describes the sky? Blue. So it tells us that sky is blue. So the word blue is telling us about the color of the sky. It is describing how is the sky or what is the color of the sky. So blue is an adjective here. The word blue is an adjective. The word blue is adjective. Amit is running slowly. Which is the adjective here? Well, noun here is Amit. But is there any word describing Amit? No, there is no word which is describing Amit. We have a word slowly here. But slowly is not describing Amit. It is not that Amit is slowly. No, Amit is running slowly. So slowly is describing how Amit is running. So slowly is actually describing this verb running. Running is a verb and the word slowly is describing this verb running. So slowly is actually describing the verb running. It is not describing the noun Amit. So slowly is not an adjective. In fact, this sentence has no adjective in it. There are no adjectives in this sentence. Slowly is not an adjective because it describes a verb and not the noun. If, however, we write it as Amit is a slow runner. Now, in this case, slow, the word slow is describing runner. Runner is a noun. So, in this case, slow is an adjective because it is describing the word runner. What kind of runner is Amit? Slow. So, it is describing the word runner. So, slow is an adjective. But over here, slowly is describing running. Since running is a verb, hence slowly is not describing a noun or a pronoun. So, slowly is not an adjective. But slow is describing a noun, runner, so slow is an adjective here. So don't get confused. There are words which at times might describe other words like verbs or some other words. Those words are not adjectives. Adjectives are only the words which describe a noun or a pronoun. Now can you tell me what is the adjective in this sentence? There are 5 ice creams. So first we need to spot the noun. Which is the noun in this sentence? Ice creams. And what is the word that is describing the noun ice creams? 5. So how many ice creams are here? 5. So the word 5 is describing the noun ice creams. So the word 5 is an adjective here. This is an adjective. So there are 5 ice creams. Ice creams is the noun and describing the noun ice creams is the word 5. So adjectives are describing words. They add meaning to a sentence. Adjectives describe either a noun or a pronoun. They tell us about its virtue, goodness, vice, that is badness, quality, quantity or condition. So take up different sentences and try finding out adjectives in those sentences. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per CBSE, ICSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures on maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve the slightest of your doubts. And that's not all. You can also win exciting prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches and many more along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it is rewarding too. So register for free now.